Good morning, everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the reaction of acid with metal, reaction of acid with reaction of base with metal, reaction of carbonates and bicarbonates with acid, and reaction of what happens when carbon dioxide reacts with lime water and what happens when excess of carbon dioxide reacts with non-metal. Now, we'll study today about the different type of neutralization reaction. As you know, the neutralization reaction is a acid base reaction. Acid when reacts with base, it forms salt and water. But there are different types of acid, as we discussed in this chapter, in first part of this chapter, that there are different types of acid, mineral acid and organic acid, strong acid, weak acid. So what happens when a strong acid reacts with a strong base, weak acid reacts with weak base, and what type of salt? There are three type of salts. According to the acid base reaction, there are three types of salt: acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. All we will discuss all about these things. So let's start with the neutralization reaction. Again, take the example of sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. The salt formed is HCOO, because the bond between O and H is weak. So this H replaced from the formic acid, and sodium take the place of that hydrogen and form sodium formate plus water. Here acetic acid, from acetic acid hydrogen is removed and potassium takes this place with water. This is potassium acetate. And last one is weak acid and weak base. Weak acid, weak base always form a neutral salt plus water. Weak acid, again take the example of COOH and CH3COH. Weak base, magnesium hydroxide and again aluminum hydroxide, or you can take the example of ammonium hydroxide. So the salt formed is HCOO whole 2, because the valency of magnesium is 2 plus water. Magnesium formate, this is magnesium formate, plus here with ammonium hydroxide CH3COO NH4 plus water. This is ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate is formed by this reaction. These all are neutralization reaction. By taking these examples, in all these examples we take hydroxide as base, but you can also take the basic metal oxide like sodium oxide, potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, etc. in this reactions. So we will discuss all these in next video. Let's take another example. A reaction of metal oxide with acid. When metal oxide, as you know that metal oxide is basic in nature, so when metal oxide reacts with an acid, salt and water is formed. For example, if we take sodium oxide, dilute hydrochloric acid, then sodium chloride and water is formed. Calcium oxide, then with dilute sulfuric acid, calcium sulfate and water is formed. But you must know the nature of the salt here. Here, as you know, the nature of the salt is neutral because it is formed by a strong base and strong acid. If sodium hydroxide is strong, sodium oxide is also strong oxide. When it come in contact with water, it forms sodium hydroxide. Calcium oxide, when it come in contact with water, when it comes in contact with water, then calcium hydroxide is formed. So the salt formed is acidic here. Here is a question. Then write the base and acid by which the following salts are formed. The following salts are formed, and also write the nature of the salt. Here is some examples: sodium chloride, calcium sulfate, sodium carbonate and sodium acetate. From which acid and base sodium chloride is formed? Sodium chloride is formed by sodium hydroxide or hydrochloric acid. So acid here is HCl and base here is sodium hydroxide. You can also take sodium oxide also. Both are correct. And it is a neutral salt. What is the nature of the salt? It is neutral salt. For calcium sulfate, sulfate comes from sulfuric acid and calcium comes from either calcium hydroxide or calcium oxide. But the nature is acidic because sulfuric acid is a strong acid here. Next example is sodium carbonate. Sodium comes from sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base, and carbonate comes from carbonic acid, which is a weak acid. So weak acid, strong base. The salt nature of the salt is basic. Next example is sodium acetate. So in sodium acetate, acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. Acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. These sodium acetate is formed by acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. So the base is the salt is formed as basic. I will give you question on acidic and basic salt in your homework. Here amphoteric oxide. Here is a concept of amphoteric oxide in acidic and basic. As you know the word amphoteric, we use this word in amphoteric metal as amphoteric metal. Amphoteric oxide is the oxide which acts both as an acid or as a base. So zinc oxide and aluminum oxide etc. There are some examples of amphoteric oxide. How amphoteric oxide acts as both as acid and base? Let's discuss. What is amphoteric oxide? This is page number 14. Amphoteric oxide. Metal oxide which acts both as an acid or a base are amphoteric oxide, like zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. Here, zinc oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium zincate, as you know, plus water. Here, sodium oxide acts as an acid. Here, aluminum oxide plus sodium hydroxide. Sodium aluminate is formed along with water. Here, aluminum oxide also acts as an acid. But when zinc oxide reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride is formed along with water. Here, zinc oxide acts as a base. Next is aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide plus dilute hydrochloric acid. Here, the product is aluminum chloride plus water. So here, aluminum oxide acts as base. So these two oxides acts both as an acid and base. Zinc oxide acid in acidic form and zinc oxide in basic form. When zinc oxide reacts with a base, it acts like an acid, and when it reacts with acid, it acts like a base. So what is amphoteric oxide and how do you confirm that? How do you show that the zinc oxide or aluminum oxide is amphoteric in nature? You must write all these reactions. Next is reaction of non-metal oxide with base. Reaction of non-metal oxide with base. If non-metal, we know that reaction. Non-metal oxide like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. This is lime water. When lime water reacts with non-metal oxide, it's a base and it's an acid. It is basic, it's a base and it is acidic. So forms salt and water. So calcium carbonate and water is formed. We discussed earlier this reaction, in what whitewashing this is used. And another example here it's act like a base and it's act like a acid. So calcium sulfate and water is formed. Basically in these reactions you must understand the nature of the salt. If you know the nature of the salt, then you can answer these type of questions, then by which acid and which base these salts are formed. I'll give you an activity which is in your NCERT book to solve in your homework. Thank you.